One of the hardest things about losing mobility isn't just getting from point A to point B, it's feeling like you have to depend on everyone else. If you've been avoiding shopping trips, family outings, or even leaving the house because getting around feels overwhelming, this mobility scooter could completely change that. Stay with me until the end because I'll show you why I think this is one of the best values I've seen for getting your independence back. I was so impressed by how thoughtfully this scooter is designed. It was provided to me at no cost for review, and I'm really grateful because it's given me the chance to see just how much freedom a lightweight scooter like this can offer. The very first thing that stood out to me is the weight. It weighs only 36 pounds, which is surprisingly lightweight for a mobility scooter. It folds and unfolds in just seconds, so there's no complicated process. If you or a family member travels often, this makes a huge difference because it's easy to load into the trunk of a car without taking up much space. It also comes with 2 removable lithium batteries that give you up to 22 miles of range, so you're not constantly worrying about charging. Since the batteries are removable, they're much easier to handle and they're designed with travel in mind. Just be sure to check your airline's battery policies before flying. I also love all the practical features. There's a front storage basket that's perfect for shopping, a purse, or a jacket, plus side storage pockets for your phone, keys, water bottle, or other personal items. Everything you need is right within reach. For safety, it has a headlight for lower light conditions and a horn so you can easily get someone's attention if needed. The controls are simple and intuitive, with forward and reverse, adjustable speeds, and an easy-to-read battery display. Another thing I really appreciate is the ride itself. The high-quality anti-slip rubber tires handle everyday terrain beautifully. Whether you're riding through a grocery store, across parking lots, on sidewalks, smooth walking trails, grassy parks, or up a properly installed accessibility ramp to get in and out of your home, it feels stable, controlled, and confidence-inspiring, and that's really what this scooter gives you: confidence. Confidence to visit friends, confidence to go shopping when you want, confidence to travel, go on cruises, spend time with your kids or grandkids, or simply enjoy being outside without feeling limited. For everything that's included, I think this scooter is an incredible value. It combines portability, comfort, safety, and convenience into one lightweight package.